All right, so this is a very rare car, Cadillac station wagon, and it's in mint condition. Yeah, that's sharp. How many did they build that year?
7.
7. Okay.
Yeah, there's information on the side. No history.
That was one of the smaller amounts they made.
Yeah.
They ripped the shit out of the road.
That's to keep them sharp.
Well, they're behind stuff, so you can't see them. You already saw them walk through.
Shallows. Huh? Yeah. What I'm saying, do it. Yeah, do it like that. That's what I got mine out. The wider you can have your hat out, the better.
You had Chevy, you had Pontiac, but where did they fit in? Is it a higher up?
I used to put Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse. It's up there. Yeah, it shades your face. Yeah.
I just had to figure it out.
Yep. I finally got smart and got me a hat.
I worked on plenty of them. They were really known for head gaskets and mortar pumps all the time. It's a shame. The heart was in the right. The heart was in the right spot, but they should have spent more time.
That's so long.
Yeah. Ain't no longer in our Vista.
No.
Don't see red inside too much with this color combination. That's a 62 four-door hardtop. Original. '63 SS. 62 bubble top with 59 interior in it. Hadn't seen that before done that way. LS engine camouflaged up as a 409. Pretty blue. 59-2. Interesting. Kind of looks at home in there, don't it?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah. 62 bubble top with 59 interior. That's it looks, if you didn't know, it looks like it came that way.
Yeah.
They still incorporated the 62 Bel Air little squares into the seats, which was a nice blend of the 2 model years there. Have a 60 Impala flat top 348.
She had a friend of hers, went to college with, lived in San Francisco, would get married. So we got there even the day before we got married. They rode the whole coast all the way to Chevrolet.
And then we'd only get about
back from the engineer.
Yeah, then see, I want to wait a while to polish it anyway, so.
Yeah. Right.
See, there's a Bel Air sedan. See the squares on the seats?
Yeah. Oh, it breathes so good.
Yeah, that's nice. Hold your hat. God, that was out of nowhere.
Yes. I didn't know he went. Oh, morning's name is stick it right here.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Yeah, that's turquoise. It suits us. Four-door hardtop, 69. That one I seen sitting in the yard, it had hideaway headlights on the way up here. It was always flake out.
Yeah.
You never see these emblems still have the gold inserts in them. This is a 80 to an 80. It's got the third brake lights. I want to say it's 84, 85. It's got the rectangular dash. I'm gonna say it's 85. $85, I was right. 57,000 original miles.
What is up with the lights?
They're just like modern LEDs. Halos.
Oh, halos, yeah.
I mean, I didn't know.
Do they? Oh, yeah. When did they?
Somebody did a good job detailing that engine compartment.
Oh yeah, 56, yeah. You gotta go over here with it, turn the piece this way, pull it to the side, I know all that. I worked on plenty of them.
Try it with 58.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. But like it says, yeah. You told them to go behind the license plate.
That one's just like Smoky and the Bandit. It's got her veil on the thing. Got it done up.
No. You're on the cutting edge and it's gonna be right. Yes.
Pontiac Aerostar. Or whatever it's called. Transport. Yeah. Yeah, put them on display.
We gotta get it. It don't work, but we gotta get it.
Here. Huh? Yeah, see the stripes down the side? That has it in the headrest. Super, it means Yenko supercar. That's a Copo. See, it's like no emblems or anything. Yeah, that's a barn find, probably.
I like it.
What they need to do is just get it going and drive it like that. Don't restore it. It won't be as cool if they restore it. Here's a Monte Carlo for sale. I'll put the information here. You can zoom in, but just keep in mind this is 2024, so if you watch this video in like 2034, you know, the phone number might not even be good, so just a note there.
It's too humid.
It is. It's brutal out here. It is brutal.